What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the garage. And I'm out here with my 2004 SVT Terminator Cobra, and I recently did a walk around video, and thank you for all the comments on it. In that walk around, I went through all of the modifications and the things I've done to it or have been done to it, and it's really difficult to find new modifications to do to that car, but I did buy something, and I'm really excited to share it. I think it's going to really set the car off. As you can see, we got an oil change here, fresh set of NGKs going in, but there's something that I wanted to do to this car and at the same time keep it mostly original. So here are the front brakes on the Cobra. You can see they're 13-inch stock calipers. They were actually painted or powder coated black at some point, drilled in slotted rotors. But if we look over here at the wife's 99 GT, I did a brake upgrade, converting it to a bullet spec with the regular stock 13-inch rotors, and had these powder coated. They're basically Mach 1 calipers, but they have the look of bullet calipers, and they look really good. These are powder coated, not painted. Matter of fact, I'm thinking about doing a walk around video on this car as well. It's not as heavily modified as this, but it does have some cool, tasteful mods, and you know, it's kind of been here forever. It's a member of the family, so if you want to see a walk around video of that, do me a favor, drop a comment down below, and yeah, maybe I'll take this thing out and do a walk around of this. But back to these brakes, and I will link, I'll put a card up in the corner of where you can see the video or the video series on upgrading the brakes on here, and I really, really love the way they look, and I want to do something like that for this car. So let's take a look at what I got. Okay, so I did open the box and took a quick look, so I'm super excited to share this with you. I picked up a set of very good condition 2003-2004 Mustang Cobra calipers and sent them off to the same gentleman that did the calipers on that car. So what we have here are 3 pieces. Going to be super careful taking them out. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll just leave this one in because I know what that is. So the very first package we have right here, and I did open up this really quickly. You can see my masking tape sealing job, but they were shipped beautifully. I love people who are as OCD and careful as I am. In this case, this guy might even be more so. So what we have inside here, if I can get the bubble wrap off, this is a set of mounting brackets. These are the caliper mounting brackets that locate the calipers on both sides. Let me see if I can open this up and show you. Really, really nice shape. These are powder coated in a gloss black. And that's because I wanted them in a gloss black. OEM has them in like a dark gray or a satin gray. The gloss black is the same thing that I did on the wife's car over there, and they look fantastic. So I had to do the exact same thing here. Let me wrap these back up as best I can. So more than likely these will be going on the car sometime either in the fall or a winter project. I'm gonna put these back in here. And here is the other part. This is the caliper body. There you go, there's the shot. So I had these powder coated in red, same red as the calipers for the Bullet. And you can see that he powder coated the Cobra name here. What I like about what he does is he also kind of rebuilds them. He'll inspect the pistons, put all new seals in, a new bleeder valve. Everything is ready to go. You can see, I believe this is all new hardware pins. It's really great what he does, and his prices are more than reasonable, and they are going to look absolutely insane on the car. I'm hoping that it really pops. And if you look here, hopefully I'm getting this, you can see the similarities between the Bullet caliper and Cobra caliper. And just imagine how they're going to look on here. They're going to look absolutely nuts. I think they'll really pop through the wheels. I just think with the Cobra lettering and the slotted and drilled rotors, Just looks really, really aggressive. So on the rear of the GT, you can see that it still has the original GT rear brakes. I think they're 10.5-inch, non-vented stock, with the stock GT calipers that I did not paint. Now the Cobra uses 11.65 rear rotors that are vented. These are aftermarket slotted and cross-drilled just like the fronts. But the rear calipers appear to have been either painted or powder coated black just like the fronts. So here's the question. Do I leave the rear calipers as is? Do I paint them with something like a G2 system? Or do I locate another set of calipers, have them powder coated, and swap them on? So yeah, I wanted to show you kind of what it looks like now with those powder coated red calipers on the front. Check it out. I love the way they look. And I got to figure out how to get a matching paint color. I don't know if the G2 is going to match that exactly, or the Dupli-Color. I think the Dupli-Color is pretty close, but yeah, if you can see, these are powder coated black, powder coated red. Even the lettering has been powder coated silver. It looks amazing. The guy does great work, and it looks really good here. I'll back out a little bit. Got a little bit of shade, but you can kind of get the idea. I love it. It's tough to get the red, but it does look a lot like the red bullet calipers on the wife's GT. It looks really sick with those slotted and cross-drilled rotors on the front. Really just gives it a little something. So let me know what you think. You like the front calipers? I know I do. And I think all I got to do now is I got to get the rears in line, matching the color as best I can. Like I said, I'm probably not going to powder coat. I am looking at painting options. And yeah, let me know what you think of them. So if you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, because it really does help out the channel. And better yet, if you want to get the latest content here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.